Hi, so in this video, I will tell you how you can join any Telegram group from your mobile phone. So first, you need to open your Telegram application, then you need to go to search bar, and then you need to search for any uh, group. For example, I am searching for crypto. Here you can see groups on crypto. You can just click on any group you want to join and just click on join. Then you are joined to the group. Now you can you will be notified whenever there will be a message in this group. This is a private group. You can also join any public group as well. So how to join public group? You need to search for public group for this. For example, if I type YouTube, uh, there are maybe some groups. Here are one more group, but this is not also public group. So you can just find public groups from this trick as well, and you can join any group by clicking on the join button. So this is how you can join any group in your Telegram application.